secret phrase that allows me to win more trades than I lose. Let's get into it. So it's actually not a secret at all. The phrase is MMMM, 4 M's. The phrase actually goes along the lines of make money in moving markets. In other words, if you look at the last few videos that I did, you look at any video, pretty much any video or any explanation of me actually trying to analyze a trade or take a trade or look at a trade, it is always in a market that has momentum. Sometimes I get it wrong in terms of how much momentum I believe is there, if the momentum is actually viable. But the market has to be moving in a specific direction in order for me to be interested in it. What I do is I'm really interested in taking a trade and not guessing, right? I have to draw very, very heavy importance on the terminology of guessing versus trading. Guessing is where obviously you don't know, you don't have any facts or any details to support that data, right? And you're taking a trade because you think it's going to turn from this level. A lot of traders had the idea right from the jump, right? What I mean by that is when they first get into trading, they see the market going up, they decide to take a buy. They see the market going down, they decide to take a sell. I think this is the right idea, but it's the wrong approach. It's not what you do, it's how you do it. My dad always told me that. In this industry, you can actually make money by doing exactly that. Market's going up, take a buy. Market's going down, you take a sell. That's it. What I really want you to focus on is not what, but how. So what we're really looking for is we're trying to understand specific levels where traders are interested in buys or sells. We're trying to understand if there's liquidity trapped in these levels and all of that, right? So we have to understand that once they have all of these things presented in a way that suggests that there is a trade for you and there is momentum in that market, that's the market you want to trade. Because there's no guessing there. The market was going down and it's likely to continue going down. With the same energy it takes to turn the market, it's likely that the market is going to take that energy and continue along its original trajectory. I'm going to show you this by looking at a specific setup, random setup on my computer, right? We're going to use TradingView's replay mode again, right? I've been doing this all week. I'm going to use TradingView's replay mode, and there's a random bar feature in there. They recently added it, and in that mode we're going to look at a completely random scenario. I don't know what is going to happen, but if you pay attention to the pairs that I'm trading, when you go on the higher time frame on these pairs, all of these pairs are moving in one direction. Very, very important to understand. I only trading pairs that are moving either bullish or bearish. Pairs that are heavily consolidated don't make sense for me to take the trade, because again, for me, that's guessing, right? It could turn at any time. It could go up, it could go down, it could go left, it could go right. I don't know. It could do all kinds of different things. I'm not interested in trying to go against what the market is trying to do. In fact, I would argue that the only way to make money in this industry is to take trades in the direction that the market is going. Notice I did not say to take trades in the direction that we think it is going. Because when you take a trade in the direction you think it is going, that is a guess, right? Now you might have some data to support that, maybe, right? But again, what if you have data to support that it is going in your particular direction already, and all you have to do is follow suit? You're no longer guessing, you're literally just following what has been happening. Now this is not the same as the trend is your friend. It is different, right? If you notice how I do it, I am not utilizing trend lines to execute my entry. I might put a trend line on the chart just to see what's happening, but I'm not utilizing a trend line to find an entry. It's different. Very important. So with that being said, let's go into my computer and we're going to try to see if we can take a look at a random scenario, see if we can capture a trade, see if we can get a win, see if we can get a loss. Doesn't matter. I'm going to post it regardless of the situation, and we'll see how it goes from there. I hope you watch this video to the end. I hope you have been enjoying my content so far. If you do, like, subscribe, leave a comment if you have any questions. You have even more detailed questions, feel free to reach out to me directly on any of the links left in the description of the video. Have a good one, guys. Let's go into my computer. So what's up, guys? As we would have mentioned in the earlier part of the video that we would probably be looking to use trading views replay mode. I really want to take a trade in the direction that the market is moving. So if the market is going bullish, I probably wouldn't look to buy if it's bearish. If the market is going bearish, I wouldn't look to sell if the market is going bullish, right? So let's go. We'll go replay mode. We'll go random bar. And oh, that's already a problem. Monthly is it's bearish, but it's going bullish now. What I can do in this scenario is I can completely opt out, right? Meaning completely walk away, just not engage at all. Because again, why would I want to take a trade in a market that I don't deem to be bullish enough to buy? Like I would have just said, it's a bear market, but it's going bullish right now. That's a problem. I don't know about you if you want to take those kind of trades, but I don't like taking those kind of trades. I am going to completely opt out, so I'm going to change the scenario. I'm going to go random bar again. That's still bullish. Random bar again. Consolidation. Bearish. So let's analyze. Okay, that's looking pretty good. All right, so monthly is bearish, weekly is bearish, daily is bearish. 4 hour is bearish. That's good. Bearish. 15 bearish. Okay, so it just stop hunted that. So that means not stop hunted, just kind of played off of that level there. So that's definitely a level. Let me see if it can get below this. No, it cannot. Okay, probably gonna test that or try to test that. Kind of stop loss is that? Not bad. Not bad. 44 pips. Alright, so assuming we have a 100k account, we want to risk 0.5% of the account, so that's $500. So that's 500 divided by 440, which is 1.13. So that will be 113000. We're gonna go sell. We're gonna go stop loss. All right, $9,500 risk. Let's see how it behaves. So consolidation. All right, good. So that's cleared one low. All right, and it's creating a new low here. So let's see what happens there. Oh, that's good. So stop loss to break even. Yeah, what do you think? So it needs to clear this now. Oh. Needs to clear this. Come on. Break it and go down. There you go. So that's good. That's really good. Again, like I said, we're taking trades in the direction of the market. So it's cleared this. The last area that I feel was a threat would be just above here. Let's see how that behaves. It's created a new low again. So let's see how it's gonna clear. Oh wow. So we move the stop down. Created a new low, but it's coming back. So it needs to clear. It actually needs to clear this for me to continue with the trail. So by this point, I'm not going to move my stop loss. I'm going to allow it to take me out. Let's see if I was right to move my stop or to trail or to not trail or whatever. Let's put a vertical line here and see how the market reacted after that. And that would be 1 hour. Let's go. Where is that? Forward. So actually, there was pretty much nothing I could do here. It was bearish enough for me to sell. It just did not have intentions of giving me anything more. As you can see, had I closed it, that would have been the lowest potential point for quite a few months actually. But again, if you realize, it did continue bearish for quite some time after that. It went back bullish, meaning I would have been stopped out if I did not trail. And that's why I believe the importance of trailing is there. But yeah. So, like we would have mentioned, we really want to take the act of trading in the direction of the market. Very important. It's very serious. I want to take that as serious as possible. I don't like guessing, as I would have mentioned. If the market is selling, I want to sell. If the market is buying, I want to buy. I want to take trades in the direction the market is moving. I hope that makes sense. Have a good one, guys. See you next week.